I'm showing you the reality of it. You want to be a full-time entrepreneur, self-employed, make your own money online? This is what it comes with. I will never lie to you. Everything I tell you in this video is me talking to myself, bro. And now it's not a lot of money, but keep in mind, this is just additional. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to another amazing day. Welcome back to another day, another opportunity to change our life, another opportunity to be great, another opportunity to catch trades, another opportunity to give value to the team. Just another day, and I love it. It is Friday, so it is going to be the end of the trading week, but that doesn't mean anything. And as you guys know, this week I've been taking mad losses. I've been keeping it real steady, keeping it slow. But what I went ahead and doing today is I bought 2 new 100K accounts because next week I'm going to be in St. Martin. I don't want to be trading my live funded accounts, my live broker account with Hanko Trade, just to lose money. So next week and today, I'm starting the challenge with myself. I'm going to be trying to get those 2 challenges passed so I can add them to the equity. So also, if I lose next week, if I have bad weeks, I'm not going to lose a whole lot of money while on vacation. But you guys will see more of that next week. Right now, I'm about to get the team started, about to hop on the call. And we're going to see if we can catch some trades today, see if I can get anything for these accounts. Let's see what we can do. Just another day. We can keep working. And we are officially done with the trading day. I didn't record too much charts because honestly, I just took my 1L. Right now it is 11 a.m. The markets cooked me. Even though I didn't trade the funded account, I'm kind of glad I did it. I'm kind of glad that I ended up just buying those funded accounts to actually trade them because those ended up being losses too. Every single trade that I took today was a loss. Well, not every single trade. I did have a break even, but besides that break even, everything else has been straight L's, unfortunately, but that's how the game goes. I don't win every week. I don't lose every week, but you guys are here to watch the journey. Watch me document everything. I'm showing you the reality of it. You want to be a full-time entrepreneur, self-employed, make your own money online? This is what it comes with. Having to deal with losses, having to deal with following the plan, but still not making money, still losing money. I wanted to make $10,000 this month. It's more than likely not going to happen. And that's what happens. That's why you don't set high expectations. I set an expectation that was hittable, but due to some events, took some losses. It is what it is. We come back next week as always. But right now, I'm about to get ready because we're going to be going to look at this apartment tour. As the title of the video says, we're about to see what this new little penthouse, what this little apartment tour looking like. I'm bring you guys with me. So let me just get everything rolled up, get all packed up, showered up, and we're gonna get about it. But we about to be at the apartment, the same apartment that we looked at before. It's the same one we're about to go to, but this is a way bigger unit. The other unit, I forget what square foot. I think it was like 700 something square foot, maybe like 740. This one's like 1,040. So it's way bigger. And it has more bedrooms. It has like another bedroom. And it's, you saw what? But yeah, we about to see what's up with it. It's not, is it an ugly day out? Nah, I just got the tinted glasses so it looks cloudy. But it looks pretty nice out today. We gonna see what it do. You don't got work today? Yeah, I don't know. She has to get her nails done. But besides that, we about to see what this apartment look like. Oh, yeah, it definitely is bigger. I can tell by the bathroom. It's because
sometimes people have it as rooms, but because it's even with the little opening, they just have it. You can even list it. I've seen them list as 2 bedrooms, but for the most part,
and just the room right here is. This one, yeah, this is way better for the price. What was it? $2,750, like $2,850.
Currently, this one's ranging.
Oh yeah, look at this. Shower. This gonna have to get redone. This is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Spacious, and it does
have
have a desk in the bedroom as well.
I kind of like. What's the? Is this one bigger, square foot wise?
The floor is going to be the biggest for a square foot.
This is way different. The whole bedroom side is like what's really different. Like all the, even this hallway, there's a closet in the middle. It's like, it is. Oh, and this is the light color. It's like, I like the light color, but at the same time, it's like, Yeah, like the countertop in the bathroom is. All right, we just got done everything. We're about to get food. Well, we're already getting the food. Could you take a wild guess what we're getting? I bet you couldn't guess. Tacos. Tacos for the win. But it was a great unit. You guys probably see the little footage I recorded on my phone and everything, but bro, it was amazing. It was 100% everything we were looking for, 100% everything plus more. I cannot be mad at it at all. Now it's time to work. Now it's time to make it happen. Now it's time to make the money to move there. Now it's time to put the process, the daily task in place so that every single day, all I do is follow the process, and indirectly, by following that process, by following the system, if I win trades, lose trades, if I have a video that does very good, have a video that does very bad, if I don't have a lot of people that join VIP that month, if I do have a lot of people that join VIP, if I just follow the process that I'm setting in place, that I just follow every single day, my goals, my dreams, it's just a math equation. 1 + 1 = 2. My goal would be 2. Something plus something is going to give me my goal. And those daily tasks that I'm learning, I'm figuring out what I need to improve on from getting experience every single day. It's only going to make it so I know what I got to do. At the end of the day, that's the main thing you got to worry on. Improving. Worrying about what you've been doing wrong that you should be doing right. Focusing on what you've been doing wrong that you're still doing wrong. You know what I mean? A lot of times it's not no crazy equation for becoming successful. It's just doing the things you know you're supposed to do regardless how you feel. And I say that all the time, but bro, you guys don't realize how important it really is. You really don't, because it's easier said than done. I could tell you that every single day and you still won't listen. That's why it's crazy. I could tell myself that same thing and I won't listen. Like, everything I tell you guys is 100% for your benefit. Trust me, everything is for your benefit. I will never lie to you. Everything I tell you in this video is me talking to myself, bro. Me talking to myself in every single one. The vlogs in the past, the vlogs in the future. Just take my advice, and if you don't want to take my word for it, just listen to somebody. Listen to somebody. All right, right now I just dropped off my girlfriend to get her nails done as I was supposed to, because as you guys know, in a couple of days, I'm going to be in St. Martin. Monday morning, we're trading from St. Martin, if I'm even able to trade. I honestly don't even know the flights. I let my girlfriend handle all the flight times and everything. I just pack the stuff, pay for the trip, and that's about it. 41 minutes to go home, just for her to be done in like 20 minutes. I don't think so. So right now I'm about to take my ass to the Causeway. And if you're from Tampa, Clearwater area, you know what the Causeway is. About to just park the car up. I don't know exactly. I don't got nothing. I honestly wasn't prepared to be sitting in the car for an hour and a half, possibly 2 hours. If I'm being real, I don't got my notebook. I don't got my journal. I don't got my laptop. All I got is my phone and my camera. But that's enough. That's all I need. I came over here. I'm parked over there. You can see my car. I came to the Causeway. And this is like half underwater. Like flooded over here. Half the gates are closed right now. I can't even go over there because that one's closed. Clean water. Clean water. Probably just try to go farther down, because over there that shit closed. Look at that view though. Look at that water. Look how. I think I got my hammock too. We gonna have a chill time. Even though I'm hot as shit wearing this clothes, some of it might have to come off, and no diddy. All right, and we drove a little bit farther up. You can see we actually made it in now, right next to the water. Here, let me get a nice little cinematic of the car. Look how beautiful it is. I can't wait to upgrade you. I'm probably gonna go look at other cars in a little bit now that I think about it. Give you guys some good content. Go see if they have the cars that I want. But right now, we about to sit over here by the shade, right in there. Is there any bugs? Yo! That's a lot of bugs. I ain't gonna lie, brother. I ain't gonna lie. I am not sitting over there. I'm not gonna lie to you. This shit is full of bugs. Full of bugs. Ew! Ew, even the one I'm standing on got bugs, bruh. Ew, they're all over. Oh my. Yeah, we ain't gonna stay here long. But look at the view. I love Florida. Glad I got out of Philly. Bro, these bugs are devious, birdie. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck all that. Look how calm the water is. It is beautiful, but them bugs, fuck that. Nah, yeah, this right here. If I were to get a SUV, the GLE 53, this the one I'm going for. I ain't gonna lie. If I get an SUV, this is it. I'm trying to see if they have any like C63s or like C43s, but I don't got shit. All right, we found the pre-owned cars. Let's see if they got some shit in here. This looks like a Maybach, is it? Yeah, it looks like an electric Maybach. What the hell? I fuck with the size and everything. That shit tinted crazy, I ain't gonna lie. How much is it? 2024 Maybach. Where's the price? Don't say the price. Definitely don't trust that. I found one. A GT63. I ain't gonna lie, Brody. I gotta drive this car. I ain't gonna lie to you. I gotta drive this car, Brody. I ain't gonna lie. We driving this fucking car. Don't know how. We gonna go find somebody. This right here, we're driving that John. Fuck.
Yeah, they're fixed.
This one, this is a regular 63, like what's the package of it?
This one is a GT63, so it's the lower. There's two versions. There's 63 and 63S. 63 makes 600.
I ain't even put no gas. That's crazy. So I didn't get to drive the car, but I did get to go inside. He let me rev the car. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I need a new car. I gotta get this apartment so then I can focus on the car, because I can't get the car until I get the apartment. I'm not doing it. I'm simply not. This car is more than perfect. I do not need a new car. I just want a new car. But I do need a new apartment. I do need that view. The car could wait. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. That GT63 Sports Plus, valve open, rather than that, John. Boy. But I'm back waiting for my girlfriend. Once I get her, we're gonna head back to the crib and continue getting this working. You ain't even eat all your tacos. What is that? What are you looking at, dogs? Y'all should have seen that car in the apartment. The apartment y'all gonna be able to fit in. You're gonna have a lot of room, doggies. And now, with that being said and done, this is where we're gonna end the video off. So overall today, money-wise, trading, ass. We didn't catch no good trades. You know what though? We didn't catch trades all week. So honestly, I'm kind of just glad I bought the funded accounts because I just didn't have to risk the actual money, and it is what it is. My win rate this week was probably 10%, but you don't win every week. You're not gonna win every trade. You just gotta learn how to manage risk, learn how to have proper risk management so that you can stay in the game. I'm still gonna be trading next week. I'm still gonna be trading next month. I'm still gonna be trading next year. That's the name of the game. But it's also important to have other income flows that you don't force trades, you don't chase money. If I only had a trade to make money, I'm more than likely would have traded the funded account, traded the Hanko trade account. You understand? But since I have other ways of making money, since I have other income flows such as content, I can make money like this. And now it's not a lot of money, but keep in mind, this is just additional. 125 for the day. It's not a lot of money, but it's additional. You don't understand the power in that. It just makes it so you're not forcing trades. You can just follow the process. Don't quit your job yet. But then again, I'm not going to talk about full-time trading and everything right now. If you just want a full everything on that, watch the video on how to leave your 9 to 5, how to become a full-time trader. But with that being said, if you guys want to know what I do on a day-to-day basis, my trading system, my trading analysis, what I do, my thought process, check out the free trading course, the free trading webinars. Completely free. It'll teach you everything I know, everything I use on a day-to-day basis. But once you're ready to actually join the community of like-minded individuals where you can learn from me, learn from the community, take my trades, ask questions, get mentorship, anything, all of the above, join the team. That's where you're gonna be able to get it. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.